That's very well played. Beautiful to the eyes. Straight to the viewers, the commentators alike. That's a 4.
Yeah, full face of the bat. It was in the slot. I can't discount the quality of shot in that case. Smeared away along the carpet. Like Roshan says, best place to hit it. Yeah, perfect. Perfect execution. Reminds me of Rohit Sharma for a second.
Incredible shot. Just 28. Down the track. Lovely stroke. Remarkable shot. And it's gone the distance as well. Celebration time. In the dugout, in the spectators' gallery as well. They're standing and applauding. On to 49. That's what they're suggesting.
पहला 6 इस इनिंग्स का पहला 6 no qualifier or eliminator here, direct semi-finals. Better looking shot in the gap, and it's a 4. The dive goes in vain.
So just playing a lofted stroke there. Lobbing it through the offside, trickling into the fence on the offside. It's not worried about keeping the ball down, just getting it over the top of this ball. Sticking into the...
And this time goes and very easy to get that boundary over covers. Raised it through. Now we're also seeing on the other end Ashish is getting in fine touch.
Yeah, a hint of Kohli's Tampa 4 on that stroke. Lent for that drive, managing to clear the extra along the carpet. 4 runs.
Goes back down the ground. Excellent stroke. 6. First 6 of the innings.
बढ़िया सकारात्मक शॉट आशीष का. लॉन्ग ऑन के ऊपर से और वहां पर
Short third man, backward point, cover, extra cover in mid-off. Over the top of mid-off, bouncing away to the fence for 4. 11 already from this over.
आशीष दूसरी बाउंड्री इस ओवर की, और आनंद लाइन लेंथ अभी भी खोजते हुए अपनी. इससे पहले टूर्नामेंट में काफी अच्छी गेंदबाजी की है आनंद ने, पर अभी 2 बाउंड्री लग चुकी है उनकी गेंदों पर.
Pulled, magnificent stroke. 6. It sounded like 6, and it is 6. They're standing and applauding. A cracking stroke from Ashish.
बिल्कुल जैसा मैंने इस गेंद के पहले कहा था कि आंखों से नजर आ रहा है एक कमिटमेंट, और मिड विकेट के ऊपर से पंच शॉट, काफी जबरदस्त टाइमिंग.
What's on offer? Driving, lofted drive over extra cover. It's racing away towards the fence. Now trickles into the boundary for 4. 6 and 4. Destruction from Ashish. Quickly on to 22 of 10. The chase is on.
वाह आशीष, लाजवाब आशीष. इनसाइड आउट यह शॉट, और ज्यादा जोर से मारने का प्रयास नहीं किया, बस कोशिश थी कि
Goes over the top of extra. 1 bounce, 2 bounce into the fence for 4. 6, 4. Dot 4. Complete commitment into the stroke. Hitting it on the rise. No need to keep it down. This is a beautiful surface. The ball is coming nicely onto the bat. He's throwing his punches back to the bowler. Beautifully placed. Another boundary. 3 overs gone, 36 for 1. Ashish.
आहा, गेंद आई थी स्लॉट में, वो गई 200 गज के प्लॉट में, रजिस्ट्री फ्री, 50 रन पूरे.
Yeah, what a way to bring up the 50. And that 6 probably had so much of power onto it and got it perfectly inside. Look at that. Full swing, just like a golfer would do.
सिक्सेस वाला मैच है. इस बार इलाका कवर्स का ढूंढा है और गेंद बाउंड्री को ढूंढ लेगी अंततः गत्वा. अच्छा ओवर चलता हुआ, 4 गेंदों में दर्जन रन बन चुके हैं.
Yeah, I think they kind of went for to target the bowler. And we're seeing Ashish near his 50. And this is the rate that they have to keep firing. Or else it could be very tough in case
इस ओवर को भी बड़ा बनाना पड़ेगा, बड़ा शॉट लगाना पड़ेगा. दूसरा 6 ओवर का. आशीष छक्कों में ही बात कर रहे हैं. 5 सिक्सेस, 5 4 अब तक लगा चुके हैं.
what a way, what an inning, what a batter. And the bowling is not really matching at all. You put him anywhere. On the other side, he's going to take everything, put everything on the plate. He's going to eat that. And that is a beautiful 6.
भाई जनता का पूरा पैसा वसूल है. 2 कारणों से. एक तो पैसा लगा भी नहीं, एंट्री फ्री है, ऊपर से एंटरटेनमेंट फ्री है.
पर विकेट की दरकार है क्योंकि जमे हुए बल्लेबाज है. तो आशीष फिर से एक बार जगह बनाई और स्ट्रेट डाउन द ग्राउंड, 6 रन. काफी लंबा शॉट और
And look at the mom there. She's happy. She's delighted. Why not? If the son is doing the magic, she certainly feels a pride. Everyone in the family celebrating. That massive hit again. Use of the crease. Spanking it straight down the ground. High and handsome. And that flight was not going to land.
सफलता दिलाई थी अपने पहले ओवर में. स्ट्रेट डाउन द ग्राउंड, सीधा शॉट और 6 रन. क्या डिस्प्ले दिखाया है आशीष ने, क्या बल्लेबाजी की है. सबका मन मोह लिया है.
Excellent ball striking. Two sixes, one is straight down the ground. This time giving room, going inside out, slapping it through the offside. Humongous 6
What a game of cricket.
of Rauf in the T20 World Cup. It's been chonked down the ground. Another 6. Now bridging the gap down to manageable proportions. 129 sixes already in this tournament. 34 runs to win from 25. The story continues. Unbeaten 100. Is keen to finish on a high. We're yet to taste success. Team Tiger. Tigers. Clap. Wow, wow, wow. 6.
Back of the leg. Humongous hit on the onside. Would you believe it? Ajay now getting into the act as well. This partnership more than flourishing. 49 runs already from just 23 balls. Top score. Even better, even more in control of that stroke as it gets into the gap. Another 4. And the disappointment can clearly be seen on the bowler's face. That brings a 50 partnership, and in style, take a look at that. Amazing stroke making. He's become a run machine this evening.
Square driving.
Reaching for the ball, wide of the fieldsman, it's gone for 4. It flies up the face of the bat.
गेंद हवा में थी पर गैप में, और 4 रन, पहली बाउंड्री पैंथर्स की टीम से। और आशीष सेंचुरी लगाई थी, उसके बाद 0 पर आउट हो गए थे और खाता खुला आशीष का। दूर थी गेंद, हालांकि टाइमिंग बहुत अच्छी।
Lightning quick outfield. Superb timing from the face of the blade. The fieldsman at third man was barely 5 yards away. But schoolmates as well. Beauty. Magnificent shot. One of the better strokes in this tournament.
स्लॉट में गेंद थी और बस लगा कि चिप कर दिया, और प्योर टाइमिंग इस गेंद पर बल्ले से।
Just like Tom Moody bowling to Tendulkar at Sharjah.
स्टीव वॉक की गेंद पर जो सचिन ने छक्का लगाया था स्ट्रेट डाउन द ग्राउंड, वो शॉट नजर आया।
Not like Paul Collingwood bowling to Tendulkar. Assis on a strike, 13 of 10. It's a lovely evening here in Raipur. Saurabh again. Can he claim the wicket here? Driving through the extra cover, is in for 4. Perfect placement. He played in the air, but into the gap through the offside for 4. Thrashing away to the boundary. He's enjoying this silken touch, Assis. 3 overs gone, 19 without loss. Panthers.